Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious fruit salad. First, gather your ingredients. You'll want about 5 to 7 different types of fresh, ripe fruits. Think about a mix of colors and textures, like berries, melon, and citrus. Always remember to wash all your fruits thoroughly under cool water before you begin slicing them. This ensures a clean and tasty base for your salad. Now, let's get to the preparation. Start by peeling any fruits that require it, such as oranges, kiwi, or pineapple. Then, carefully core fruits like apples or pears. The key is to cut all your fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces, roughly 1-inch cubes. This makes the salad easier to eat and ensures every spoonful is a perfect mix. Always use a sharp knife for precision and safety. Next, we'll create a light and refreshing dressing. A simple mix of fresh lemon or lime juice with a tablespoon of honey works wonderfully. Once your fruits are all cut, gently place them into a large mixing bowl. Pour your prepared dressing over the fruit. Then, with a light hand, toss everything together until all the fruit pieces are evenly coated. This adds a lovely sheen and enhances the natural sweetness. Finally, for the best flavor, chill your fruit salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures a refreshing experience. You can also garnish it with a few fresh mint leaves for an extra pop of color and aroma. It's perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade fruit salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.